Well, I think safe to say it's been a reasonably quiet start to the week weather-wise, a mixture of bright or sunny spells and just a scattering of showers. And it really does set the tone as we head through the next few days. Warm in the best of the sunshine, still a few showers in the mix, and at least winds will be relatively light. So this is how the pressure pattern will look over the coming days. Not much movement really. High pressure very much down towards the southwest, low pressure out towards the north and east. And in between, we're in this fairly cool west-northwesterly flow, and with it we keep that risk of showers going. Out there at the moment, 1 or 2 showers still on the scene, but these will quickly fade this evening, leaving us with dry and fairly clear conditions overnight. Light winds as well, but even with all that in mind, temperatures actually a little above average for the time of year, probably hovering in the low to mid-teens for many of us. So a pretty quiet start to the day tomorrow, some early brightness around, but make the most of it. As the morning wears on, we'll see cloud thickening up from the west, and that's tied in with a weak weather front, and that in turn could well produce some outbreaks of rain or drizzle. Again, nothing very notable. And then later in the day, as skies start to brighten up out towards the west, we'll see some further showers developing. Temperature-wise, with a bit more cloud than we've had today, they will be a touch lower, so highs tomorrow probably low 20s at best. And if you're heading to the coast, these will be the times of high water. Southampton there 2:25 in the morning and just before 3 in the afternoon. So how are things looking through the next few days? Well, we continue with that mixture of sunny spells and showers. 1 or 2 of the showers could potentially be on the heavy side midweek, but in the best of the sunshine, still feeling pleasantly warm. Well, it has certainly been a relatively quiet start to the week weather-wise. Quite a bit of cloud coming and going, a few showers in the mix as well. And little change really as we head through the next few days. So still some warm sunny spells, a scattering of showers in the mix and winds relatively light. And this is how the pressure pattern will look over the coming days. Really not much movement. So high pressure down towards the southwest, low pressure out towards the north and east. And in between we'll be left with this reasonably cool west to northwesterly flow and that ongoing risk of a few showers. And we do have 1 or 2 showers out there at the moment, but these will quickly fade this evening, leaving us with dry and fairly clear conditions overnight, light winds as well. But even with the clear skies, actually temperatures a little up on average for the time of year, so probably hovering in the low to mid-teens for many. Tomorrow morning then, not a bad start at all, some early bright or sunny spells. I think as the morning wears on, a little more cloud starting to encroach on western parts, and that could bring 1 or 2 spots of light rain or drizzle. But on the whole, a good deal of dry weather and in the best of the sunshine tomorrow, temperatures once again creeping up into the low 20s. Now if you're heading to the coast tomorrow, these will be the times of high water, so Sheerness there coming in at 4:21 in the morning and 4:29 in the afternoon. And then confirmation of that continuation of a mixture of sunny spells and showers through the next few days. Worth noting some of the showers could be on the heavier side. In particular, we're looking at Friday for that, the risk of a few rumbles of thunder, but where the sun comes through, feeling pleasantly warm, temperatures in the mid-20s throughout.